Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to prepare a script file in MATLAB in a very simple way. First of all, we will see what is the concept of script files in MATLAB. A script file in MATLAB is a file where we write a sequence of commands that MATLAB executes one by one. How this file is going to help us? This file will help us as it saves our time, it avoids rewriting the code, and it organizes our program. Note that whenever we are going to save a script file in MATLAB, it will get saved with an extension .m. So various types of file in MATLAB are saved with different type of extensions. Now we will go to the MATLAB window and we will see how we are going to prepare a script file in just a single step. We are also going to write a script for the addition of two numbers. So let's start. Now I am with my MATLAB window here. Now you can see that the various portions of MATLAB window are visible. So this one is the command window where we usually type our code. This is the files section in which the files which we have created or saved yet are visible. All the files which we have created yet will be visible here. So that file may be a script file, variable file, or a function file. Next is the workspace. Now in a workspace, the variables are created. Now we will start with the demonstration for preparation of a script file in MATLAB. So we are going to type here the word edit space. Now we have to give the name of the file which we want to, the name by which we are going to save that file. So let's say I am going to save my file with the name my first script. So I will just zoom out this command window portion so that this will be visible, more visible. So my first script, press enter. Now we want to type yes. Since the file is not there in my MATLAB drive, as I want to create it, so I have to type yes. Now you can see that here in a editor portion a new script file with the name my script has got created and its extension is .m. Here also this file is visible, my first script .m. So we have successfully created a new script file in MATLAB. Now we will write a simple script for addition of two numbers. So let's start. First of all, I will comment it as my first script for addition of two numbers. Now this thing is totally optional, but as the comments make our code more meaningful, so I usually prefer to give comments. Now I will define my first number a as a equals to say 14. So this will create a variable a equals to 14 in a workspace when I am going to run this code. Next number I will define it as b equals to 30. So this is going to create a variable with value 13. Now these are my two numbers. So first number is 14, second is 30. Now I am going to take their sum. So I will just comment it as addition of numbers. I will just zoom this part. So addition of two numbers. On the next line, I am going to define the addition of numbers a and b with sum. So this is going to create a variable sum in a workspace afterwards. So sum equals to a plus b. Now if I want to display this result, I will use the MATLAB function disp, and let's say I want the string the sum of numbers is, and if I also want to disp the variable sum here in a command window, I have to take this disp sum. Okay, now I am ready with my MATLAB code. Now I will run this script file so we can see that what output we are going to get here. So I will hit this run button. Now you can see that as the name of file, my script has got visible here, so it means that our script file has executed successfully. In a command window we can see that the sum of the numbers which we have created with the variable sum is visible here, which is 44. Also in a workspace we can see that. I will just drag this portion here. So in a workspace, the variable a has got created, which has value 14, since we have defined here a variable a with value 14. B is a variable with value 30, and sum is again a variable which is the sum of the numbers a and b, and it has the value 44 as expected. So in this way we can create a simple script file in MATLAB as per our requirement. Thank you.